Okay, so how to do this? This is what you get from the box. This light for sure, obviously, and this guy here. You open it here, take out these, and you find this. You put this here and this here. Cool. Now you take this and fish it through here to take it out. But you need to cut this out like this, so you can put this in here. So you take this out. I'm gonna cut it and show you. Come back. Okay. Now you need to take this out. Cool. And take off the wires. You see them? Just put something here and here, like a flathead screwdriver, and take them out. Okay, so after taking I think it's transformer, I'm not sure what it is. You take this out here, just like this, and you take out the lens. Be careful, don't break it. By the way, oh shit. This made in Germany, and the transformer made in Italy. Okay, so this is what you are gonna take off from the transformer. This is gonna be like this, and this is above it here. So it's like this here, and it's like this. You just take this out with a screwdriver and take it out. The same for this. Now you use the one we fished through here. What? I'm so stupid. So now you take the one we fished through here, the one that came with the light. You put it here, and this you put it back here. So that's all, and that's what you want. This you don't need. Damn it. Let me just put this slowly here, like that. This used to be here, you don't need it. Okay, so you come here, take off, you take this off. Come on. You put it here like this. Where is it? Okay, you close it like this, close this, and put it back, and fish this the same way as we fished this. That's all. It can't get easier, and it's all plug and play. Do this, close everything back, and go to your car.